Welcome. Are you looking for ways to live a healthier lifestyle while enhancing your beauty? Welcome to our channel. Here, we believe that true beauty starts from within, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Our health and beauty tutorials cover a wide range of topics, from nourishing your body with wholesome foods to discovering effective skincare routines tailored to your unique needs. We'll inspire you to find joy in movement and help you create an active lifestyle that suits you. Explore our collection of beauty tutorials, where we'll share tips and tricks to enhance your natural features. And if you're interested in embracing more natural approaches, we've got you covered too. Join our community of health and beauty enthusiasts who are passionate about self-care and self-expression. We're dedicated to fostering a supportive and inclusive space where everyone can feel empowered to be their best selves. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier and more beautiful you, hit that subscribe button and join us today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for daily tutorials.